So Anatite are venturing into something new and they've taken a lot of people by surprise. Apparently, they've moved into a cabin on Mkuku. Let me just read what Taito posted. I'm surprising my wife with a new fully furnished house as a birthday gift in advance. My question now is this a permanent move or is just for content? Because content yakadai so inobhadhara. Look at what is happening nana Kalonga. Ana Kalonga wakabva wasiya content yavo voti let's concentrate vatanga concentrate neiyo yekumkuku wavo neukabin kwavo, and they're actually getting my views pano paYouTube. My videos avo, they are getting thousands and thousands of views nenyaya yekungoti vakamova into a cabin. Zvakatosiyana nemaviews avaiwana vari kuSouth Africa. Content yekabin inobhadhara. So we are not so sure kuti iyi ndo content yavo kana kuti chii chiri kuitika, because chatinonyatsoziva ndechekuti Anatite content vanobhura zvavo, vanotrya by all means kuda kuita content yekuti all the time they want to keep us hooked, they want to keep us entertained. Chinozonetsa zvayo pacontent yavo iyi ndeyekuti tenchiziva zvedu kuti it's not authentic. Vanenge vachiita mari zvavo, but tinonyatsoziva kuti iwo kugara mukuku is just kungoti for content. It's not like vapererwa nelife kana kuti havatorina. Unlike Nakalonga, I don't think they were getting a lot of money pavaigara kuSouth Africa. Kugara kwavo kuSouth Africa, they were just living life ingoriwo decent, not that wow life. Hatiambobvira tatomboona kana kuti vane mota here kana kuti vane chii, hatiambobvira taona life iyoyo. So with that being said, kunogara kunogara cabin kwavakaita kuya it was like to us we were not shocked. We are not really shocked now kugara kumkuku, but Anatite, they are really shocking us. Mkuku iri kuita senge ndiwo waishandiswa namabhilidha avo. Pamwe ndakanganisa ndisiye. Anatite, I think they are just waiting kuti imba yavo ipere or something like that. I'm not so sure hangu kuti chii chiri kuitika. Zvekuti vachamova, let's just see kuti chii, because now they have let mwana kuti aende kuboarding school, and also now they've moved out into a big house. They've also sold their property. Saka pamanje, what's the next move? And handisingatoziva zvangu kuti Mupata family chii chavari kuita. Do you remember maviews aitwa naNanyati vari kumkuku? Muchinombaremember here kuti Ananyati vaikagaina a lot of people and people started feeling pity for them vari kumkuku. So this content, trust me, it's going to get a lot of views. In the meantime, I think they are preparing to go somewhere to get on kuti vari kunyatsoita sei, kana kuti vakamirira kuita housewarming yemba yavo, kana kuti vakamirira kuda kuenda kuSouth Africa vakabhuka maflights here. I don't know. I think they are finalizing on something chete. It might be that rent yekuHarare was becoming expensive for them as well, because monetization havasisina. Then they decided to move into a cabin vari pastand pavo rent free, vakamirira zvavo kuti imba yavo inyatsopera chaizvo. I don't think they are going to last long. Handizive zvangu, but I just feel like they are not going to last long. Vaisa portraits, yes, kuti zvilukewo real, but I don't think they are going to be, it's going to be for like more than a month or so. What I love about them is that they love each other. Mukuku imomo vari kunyatsoratidza kuti they are happy. Vanga vambonzi vapera mazuva aperayo, but vadzoka, and this time they are back with a bang. And I tell you, they know how to keep people talking and hooked to their content. Ipapo vakachimaster zvacho chigame chacho. Pane vari kuti list ravo ranga rapera and they chose not to renew it. List racho was too short if they ever had a list. Or it was for just 3 months. I don't know. Because my list at once was out in the 6 months or a year or something like that. And it was an exchange of services, Kuti. It was an exchange of service, Kuti. For the next 3 months, we stay at your house for free. We advertise Garwe restaurant for you. Because Ibaya Yangari Ibaya Ya Garwe. So probably it was something like that. So the get one out in Mupata family, what is going to transpire this whole week, we are thinking this, and we also comment in the comment section kuti imi muri kuzvionawo sei zviri kuitika izvi naAnatite, because iyo imba iyi ungati ndo maigara mabhilidha avo yavangozongotena into a comfortable home for them. Otherwise cabin iro harisi nyowani. I don't think it's really new to us. Ungati takamboriona. our guesses might be wrong, it might be correct. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. But yeah, you are subscriber, please make sure that you're subscribed, and see you in the next video.